Alright guys, got another quick tip for you. Quick tip Tuesday on a Friday. We've got 01 Camry here. P1135. So it's going to be your Bank 1 Sensor 1 air fuel ratio heater circuit codes. What you want to do is just check to see if the AFR heater circuit is actually working in the car. So these are pretty simple. The front AFR sensor is right smack up here on top. And what I like to use is just a test light. And you can see right now the test light isn't lit. You don't even need a wiring diagram. Just find the two wires that are the same color on the AFR sensor. Back probe it. Car running, your light should be on if the vehicle is controlling the heater circuit. Now the thing is, this car has been running for a little while, and through its strategy, it's actually shut it off. So what you'll need to do, get it back probe, shut the vehicle off, start it back up. Sometimes they'll come on steady, sometimes they'll have a duty cycle. You can see that information in scan data, but if you just have a code reader and you want to make sure that it's getting the command, use one of the homemade test lights you made from the previous video, stick it in there. I'll show you, I'm going to take and shut it off. Just give it a second here to cool down. Doesn't take very long. Oh, don't mind my butt. I'll fire it up, it should light up. And there we go. Test light is lit. Now that's 1/4 amp. Adding that on top of the AFR sensor, even if it was good, isn't going to hurt anything. Sometimes you rev the car up, that'll go out, or like I say, a duty cycle. See there, it flickered a little bit and then went out. So let's shut the car back off. So I'll leave the car turned off here. So that tells us that the control side is good. And then what we'll do, just to verify the AFR, we're going to take and unplug it. Let me get a couple of probes here. Don't need anything fancy. Just use a couple of these back probes, and then we'll just check the resistance of the actual heater circuit. Now this isn't an overcomplicated diagnosis or an overcomplicated code, but if you were just had the car running and you were checking that for power, perhaps you could misdiagnose it if you didn't know that the car would actually turn that heater circuit off after a given amount of time. So we're just going to go down here to an ohm meter. Select our ohmage. Hey Jim. Make sure it meter zeros. And like I say, we'll just come in on the same two colored wires. With one, I expect it to be open circuited. Which it is. That's it. Piece of cake. Alright guys, that's it for the Quick Tip Tuesday. And if you have any questions, comments, criticisms, concerns, put them in the comment box below. Just remember viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.